हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अगेन यू आर वेलकम. आई एम हियर. ठीक है. सो अगेन वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट. अंडरस्टैंड. सो व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. you know we have discussed about direct indirect. That is also known as a narration. That is also known as a indirect speech. Got it? Reported speech. Okay. So we also discussed about change in pronouns. That was very important. Okay, keep in your mind change in pronoun. And I also discussed about difference between reporting verb and reported speech. What are the changes in reporting verb and the reported speech? We have discussed a lot of examples I have given to you. I have also discussed with you if the reporting verb is in present or future, the tense of reported speech will not change. But if it is in past tense, the tense of reported speech will also be changed. So according to that rule, I am going to tell you. अच्छा फील नहीं कर रहा, थोड़ा बुखार सी है. That's why I'm too much we can say aggressive right now. So according to this rule, we have changed present simple into past simple. एग्जाम्पल दे चुका हूँ. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस इंटू पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस एग्जाम्पल हो चुका है. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट इंटू पास्ट परफेक्ट, मतलब हैज और हैव विल चेंज इंटू हैड. नाउ द लास्ट टेंस इज व्हाट? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस will go into past perfect continuous. Is it clear? I have written also example. This is a reporting verb, dear student. This is reporting verb and that is reported speech. Is that clear? So now I am going to change this. And there are also inverted comma. जगह नहीं है, वो लगाया नहीं है मैंने. She told him. Connective will be used that. I is a first person. I have told you. I, me, my, we, us, or. I is a first person. Will go according to subject of the reporting verb. किसके हिसाब से चेंज होगा? Will change according to subject of the reporting verb. So see, I have been playing cricket since morning. Okay, point of time दिया गया है, that is why is morning. So she had been playing cricket since what? Morning. She had been playing cricket since morning. You have understood that I is a first person. तो मैंने समझाया तुम लोगों को कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस विल चेंज आल्सो पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. तो हेल्पिंग फॉर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस इज हैज बीन, हैव बीन प्लस वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी. और इसकी जो होती है द पास्ट परफेक्ट इज हैड बीन, दैट विल चेंज इनटू हैड बीन. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड दैट. गॉट इट? अंडरस्टूड दैट? नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके. Next is a past simple. यानी present is completed, all the tenses present will go into past. Now past अगर आ गया, if the past simple used in where in we can say direct speech, what will change in the indirect? Like you said. Understand? You said teachers did not okay, teachers did not we can say visit here. Okay, visit here. Understand? You said teachers did not visit here. So यहाँ पे देखो you, आप told करना चाहते हो तो told भी कर सकते हो, no problem. You said that. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, टीचर्स, दैट इज थर्ड पर्सन और नाम है किसी का, टीचर्स विल नॉट चेंज्ड, मे बी दैट इज अ टीचर, मे बी दैट इज अ टीचर्स, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। डिड नॉट आया हुआ है, दैट इज पास्ट सिंपल टेंस ना, एंड डिड प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब है ना, तो द टीचर्स, दैट टीचर्स, अब पास्ट सिंपल विल मूव इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट, तो टीचर्स हैड नॉट visited, has not visited, here is going to there, here किस में चलता है, there में। इसका भी एक वो है, दिक्कत होती है, इसमें भी एक डाउट है। कभी क्या कहते हैं, कभी कहते हैं कि यदि आप जो बात कह रहे हो उस टाइम पे आप वहीं पे हो तो here there में नहीं जाएगा, ठीक है, और कोई कह रहा है कि here there में जाएगा। I am not sure about this rule, but I am changing this, here will go to there, now, then, here, there, ये, okay, is that clear? So understand you got it, is that clear? So now present continuous will go into past continuous, sorry, past continuous will go into past continuous, will move into past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, CONTINUOUS, got it? Past continuous will go into past perfect continuous. Like, what are the helping verb of past continuous? We can say was, were plus V plus ing, and that will go into had been plus V plus ing. Understand? Understand? Got it? Present continuous will, past continuous will go into past perfect continuous. Was, were will move into had been plus verb plus ing. Is that clear? जैसे कि Ram said to me, Ram said to me, they were making a noise. Okay, they were making a noise. So what we have to do? Reporting verb, reported speech. Is that clear? Ram told me, connective that. They is a third person, that will not change. So what we have to do? Ram told me that they, that is past continuous will move into past perfect continuous. They had been making a noise. Since for इसमें आएगा नहीं. Is that clear? Understand? Ram said to me, reporting verb. They were making a noise, reported speech. So Ram told me, that connective, they will remain they because it is a third person. Were making a noise, they had been making a noise. I hope you have understood that. It is also, you got it? Is that clear, everybody? Having any doubt about this? I hope you are not having any doubt. So that is the rule which was explained. Present will move into past continuous, past continuous, perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Did plus had plus third form. अब वो did में एक एग्जाम्पल नहीं बताया था कि सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, उसका मैं अभी बता देता हूँ आपको. जैसे she said to him, I went to school. Okay, so she told him that. First person है ये, will change into subject according to she had gone. She had gone to school. मतलब ये पास्ट सिंपल का है जो बताया नहीं था तुम लोगों को. She said to him, I went to school. She told him, said की जगह जाएगा told, we will use told. And what we have to use, I is a first person, will move according to subject, and that C had gone to school. Is that clear? Now, past perfect and past perfect continuous will not change. If past perfect tense is used in reported speech, that will not change. If past perfect continuous is used in the reported speech, that will also not change. Like, you said to me, okay, my father had made a plan. My father had made a plan. Is that clear? Understand? Got it? So, you told me. अब देखो connective will be used that. अब ये देखो, you said to me my father had made a plan. एक मिनट दे दूं, बता सकते हो क्या आएगा? सबसे पहले what we have to think, we should think about the pronoun which is given here. Which person is this? First person, I, me, my. Okay, and first person will change according to subject of reporting verb. Second person will change according to object of reporting verb. Third person will not change. So you told me, you said to me, you told me that my is a first person, will change according to subject. My is used here. Third में I, me, my. याद रखो, I, me, my, you, your. Which line in changing? कौन सी लाइन में है हमारा? ये तो देखो, ये तो सब्जेक्ट के रूप में आते हैं. These one, I and you, they are used as a object and these are used as possessive adjective और possessive pronoun बोलते हैं इसको. यदि first change हो रहा है then you will use first like subject. यदि second change हो रहा है then you will use second. बट यहाँ पे थर्ड हो रहा है तो इसका मतलब possessive adjective और possessive pronoun बोल सकते हैं इसको. तो you told me that your father had made a plan. Understand? You said to me, my father had made a plan. You told me that your, first person will move, change according to subject. Your father had made a plan. I have not changed this क्योंकि rule कहता है, rule says that past perfect will not be changed. Is that clear, everybody? Past perfect will not be changed. Is that clear, everybody? So now we have discussed these also. Present के हो गए complete और past के, and past perfect continuous like Radha said to her sister. Okay, I had been working here for 2 years. Understand? So Radha told her sister, I had been working here for 2 years. Only one thing will be changed, that she Radha said to her sister, I had been working here for 2 years. Radha told her sister that she had been working there for 2 years. Is that clear? There for 2 years. वही here वाला बता था तुम लोगों को मैंने. Understand, everybody? Got it? Is that clear, everybody? So we have changed this also. आई होप यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग नरेशन. जहाँ तक हमने किया है वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दैट. ऑल द पास्ट पार्ट, पास्ट सिंपल विल मूव इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस will move into past perfect continuous, and no change in past perfect and past perfect continuous. Is that clear? Now it is a matter of shall and will. Okay, shall and will. Is that clear? Shall and will, these are used in future tense. Future tense में क्या होता है? I and we takes shall. I और V के साथ आता है shall and other subject takes will. But nowadays क्या हो रहा है? shall है वो खत्म हो रहा है. मतलब नॉर्मल इंग्लिश इफ यू आर स्पीकिंग टू तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम बोलेंगे I shall go there, I will go there. मतलब ऐसा हो रहा है. Is that clear? But according to rule अगर अपन चलेंगे, they are models also. They are also both are models. तो I and we will use with shall and other subject will use will. Okay. That is shall plus first form of verb, will plus first form of verb. Is that clear? This is future tense. Understand? Shall be, will be, future continuous tense plus verb plus ing. Shall have, will have plus third form of verb, future perfect tense. Shall have been, will have been, future perfect continuous. Is that clear? So where shall is used, should, will is used, would. Shall be यानी future continuous, should be. Will be, would be. Shall have means future perfect. Shall have will go into should have. Shall have plus V3 will change into should have plus V3. Okay, will have plus V3 will change into would have plus V3. Understand? Would have V3. Is that clear, everybody? Understand? So that will be taught you tomorrow, or we can say when we are having our next class. Shall or will, should or would. Shall be, should be, will be, would be. Shall have, should have, will have, would have. Shall have been, should have been, will have been, would have been. So dear student, what was the important thing I am telling you again and again? I am telling you, मैं बता रहा हूँ तुम लोगों को कि इसके अंदर अगर हम आमने सामने होते हैं क्लास के अंदर तो वी आर हैविंग लॉट ऑफ क्वेरीज रिगार्डिंग दिस. सो लेकिन इसमें क्या होता है, ये जो प्रोनाउन है ना, दिस इज वेरी आई थिंक हार्ड. अगर ये एक्सप्लेन हो जाता अच्छे से तो दैट विल बी वी कैन से इजी फॉर अस. प्रोनाउन मैंने तुम लोगों को बताया था कि आई, मी, माई, वी, अस, और यू, योर, ही, हिम, हिज, सी, हर, दे, देम, देयर. फर्स्ट लाइन है सब्जेक्ट के रूप में आएगी जो स्टार्ट करेगा. अगर सब्जेक्ट लाना है तो यू शुड यूज सब्जेक्ट. लाइन उस सब लाइन में चले जाओ. if you need an object, then you should go in the line of object. If you need a possessive adjective pronoun, then you will go into the last line. You always keep in your mind. Got it? I tried my best today. I am not well, but I tried my best to explain you so that you cannot miss your class. Everybody, okay? Bye.